Everyone stick with us versus herd. If it's your first time here, if you like the content, hit subscribe. If you want to get notifications when we go live, tap the bell. And if you want to join the VH fam, links are below in the description to our Discord and our free options trading group on Facebook. We're here right now for earnings. We have Facebook, Microsoft, Tesla, PayPal lined up, ready to go. Looks like Tesla just reported earnings. Facebook reported, and they're down like 7% right now. Yo, whoa, what's up? If you're here right now, say what up. All right. So first things first, we have Facebook. Facebook. I think everyone was riding high, thinking that Facebook was going to go ripping up. Right now, Facebook's down 7%. Their EPS was above, so 3 cents. They beat by 3 cents on EPS. Revenue was up. Daily active users was up a little bit. Monthly active users was even, 2.5 billion versus 2.5 billion. And average revenue per user is up as well. Facebook's also announced a 10 billion share repurchase program, so that's pretty huge. And Facebook reported revenue growth of nearly 24.7%. Let's see here. Where is the guidance? Probably. We had a good quarter and a strong end to the year as a community and business continue to grow. We remain focused on building services that help people stay connected. So it sounds so bad. So I guess I don't know what the guidance is on this right now. So we'll see what happens. $10 billion repurchase program on Facebook is pretty huge. So we'll keep this open. We'll refresh this in a little bit here. If you're just joining, say what up. Facebook's down to 208 right now. It did hit 205. So crazy. I think everyone is looking at Tesla. Tesla hit 624. I actually don't have any earnings trades on. I'm definitely glad I took off my Facebook trade. I had a Facebook trade. I closed it out for a $3 loss, but I actually went into earnings today with nothing riding earnings. You know. Go Keith. Rewards. What's going on? Waiting for some of this news to catch up. The news lags the stock price always. So Tesla delivered better than expected Q4 2019 results. Company reported deliveries of 112,000. What was it looking to do though? Okay, earnings, EPS, $2.14 versus $1.72. That's pretty big. Revenue 7.38 billion versus 7.02. How were the Boeing calls? It went terrible. Boeing calls went terrible. The company had already reported deliveries of 112,000 vehicles globally during the fourth quarter, a quarterly best for Tesla. That number significantly topped Wall Street estimates and hit the low end of Musk's year-end sales goal. Got the Jack and popcorn. See what it do. Shares in Teslas have risen more than 120% in the last quarter. Let's see here. Tesla continued to rally after the update with investors bullish about its prospects in China. The company opened a car plant in Shanghai ahead of schedule. Executives are expected to offer guidance in consideration of the coronavirus epidemic. So we're still waiting for the guidance on this thing. So we'll see what happens. Impacting factory sales, the factory and sales potentially in mainland China. Musk previously said he's expected his electric car and solar business to become sustainably profitable beginning in the third quarter of 2018. So Tesla is still making new highs right now. 625 right now. Crazy. PayPal dropped too. I think who had a PayPal position? I don't know if he's here. Daniel. Damn. So PayPal dropped. Microsoft, Microsoft currently up. Microsoft we have at, Daniel, hopefully you're okay on PayPal. I don't remember what your position was. Just looking at that up. Microsoft stock rises on revenue and earnings beat. I don't know why they put the Windows 7. Such an old image. Earnings $1.51 per share versus $1.32. Revenue was up over $1 billion, so that's nice. Microsoft shares have been growing on the steady rise, jumping 63% in the past year. Azure growth came in at 62%, decelerating from 76% a year ago. That's interesting. Microsoft didn't disclose Azure revenue. Always hair stocking. So I'm seeing what the guidance, I don't know if the guidance has come through yet. Yo, Miguel got paid. Nice. Nice. Microsoft expected move. So the expected move for Facebook was $11, and now it's moved about that. A bit more. It's right outside the expected move. Expected move on Tesla though. So it closed at 580. Only moved $40 so far, which I mean is a lot, but Tesla, the expected move, it was $61. So Tesla is still within the expected move. So if you sold some premium on Tesla, you should be okay. But I feel like tomorrow at open, they're gonna rip that thing at the open. Futures are down a little bit right now. Yeah, Facebook at 209. So Facebook 209 just coming back down here. Like I said, it's gonna be really interesting if this acts as support or it comes back below this resistance in here, which was like the 209, 205 area. Take a put on Tesla. I don't know if you can short Tesla. Shorting Tesla hasn't been doing anyone well. Sure, you have some down days, but I mean this trend is super strong. So many people are shorting Tesla. So many people are shorting Boeing. I mean, it was. I don't typically like crowded trades, you know. Everybody can't be right. PayPal's trying to bounce back up. I don't have PayPal's numbers. Let's try to find PayPal's numbers. I mean, the one interesting thing was Boeing had the worst report ever in like 20 years, and the stock still goes up. You know? Yeah, I mean, if you're trying to scalp and stuff, you can definitely short. I mean, you could have shorted today. Like if you shorted today, you know, it had a nice drop at the end. If you were looking at it, I mean, it went up to like 590, dropped to 576, closed at 580, but I don't typically like crowded trades. I mean, everyone was trying to short Tesla, everyone was trying to short Boeing, and I bet everyone was long Facebook. The one thing that did work out, I mean, most people are long Microsoft, so Microsoft has gone up, but the expected move on Microsoft was like $4, and it's only moved like almost $4 right now. So. Yeah, let's see where the PayPal numbers are. Where are you? Okay. PayPal forecast, so guidance is short, they're saying. Posted net income of $507 million, 43 cents a year. 43 cents per share, down 49 cents a share in the year earlier. I have noticed that like most of these companies that are reporting right now are down from the year earlier, which is interesting. So EPS 86 cents from 69 cents, so that's good. Revenue grew 4.96 billion from 4.22 billion a year prior. The company logged total payment volume of 199 billion, up from 163 billion. So that's good. Let's see here. Looking at the full year, the company expects EPS of 339 to 346. PayPal disclosed that it had 9.3 million net new active accounts during the fourth quarter. The company processed 53 billion in total peer-to-peer volume. So, I mean, I think it sounds pretty good, but I don't see where the guidance is on this thing. So we'll see. We'll see if these get updated. Right now, Facebook, I think that Facebook will probably come back up. Facebook with a $10 billion share repurchase program, I mean, that's insane. So Facebook's putting some of that cash on the sidelines to good use, you know. They knew that they were gonna go down, and that's why they announced the repurchase program. So it should be interesting. Facebook could get a little pump here. I'm definitely gonna be looking for Facebook tomorrow for a trade round here, like 205, 209, and see if it bounces off of here, or if it's looking like it's gonna break down. But you got to be careful sometimes with Facebook, because a lot of times after earnings it'll just sit there. So far, PayPal's not doing so bad anymore. Down $3, and Tesla's just stuck. Let's see here. Let's see here for some fun. Let's see here what we got. Were you guys planning any earnings? What were you guys looking at? I know Daniel was in PayPal, shorting LMT. LRCX. Lamb was up. I was looking at Lamb, but I was afraid that because of AMD it was going to be down. But here we are. Lamb reported as well. Ariana, you're in Facebook. Yeah, right now, Tesla's within the expected move. It was expected to move $60. It's currently moved 40. So, you know, if you're selling an Iron Condor, you should be pretty happy. Pretty rich premiums on that bad boy. Trying to get some more updated news here. Because they just keep like updating the CNBC keeps updating the so kind of interesting. Kind of interesting where we're headed out here right now. Why is this chart all messed up? Oh, that does not look right. The chart is messed up. All right, we're back. We're back. Spy's heading down a little bit right now. So I think tomorrow is going to be kind of like a mixed day right now, depending on this. I mean, tomorrow we also have earnings on Amazon. Who do we have in the morning here? So we have Coke, UPS, Verizon, and then tomorrow night we have Amazon. So might be kind of stuck. I mean, the Fed minutes today obviously was not a factor. We knew they were gonna change rates, but we needed them to say it. So I think right now we're waiting to see what happens to the coronavirus. If that's getting worse, they did say they are starting to test a what was it, a drug for it, but it's like phase one's months away. A phase one trial. So who knows? Could be a while. Could be a minute. Because all these drugs they need to test and make sure people don't die when taking them, and they just don't want to roll it out and say here you go, and then everyone dies. Yeah, these stocks have literally stopped moving. Facebook stopped moving, Microsoft stopped moving, PayPal stopped moving, and now Tesla stopped moving. So they might just be stuck here the rest of the the rest of the night. So I just want to do a quick stream, go over these earnings with you guys. I'm gonna pop off here though. Got some things to take care of. So you guys stay safe, stay green. Us for third.